Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today let us see a simple if statement with Vlookup so that you will get a desired value. Here I have the list of names and employee codes and target, which is like I have put a summary sheet where I have employee code and target mentioned. Okay, so every time when you enter some name in the name column and the employee code in the next column, the target will automatically come up. This is what my formula is. So for that, I'm inserting an if statement. If logical test, my condition is if you enter some data in name column, only then this function should come up. Vlookup should work. So for that, I'm giving if a2 is greater than 0, then Vlookup, what is the, if it is true, what is the result value I need. So Vlookup of employee code, comma, in which sheet should I refer to the employee code? In the summary sheet, the employee code along with the target, and the target's number is the second column, and then 0 if it is, comma. Now if a2, which is the name column, is greater than 0, I need this resultant value if it is true. What if it is false? I need to just have a blank. So here I'm just copying the columns. So the employee code for 1 and 2 is 345 and 255, which has come. Here I'm just giving the employee code as 3. Nothing will come up because we have mentioned if this A column has some values, only then in the C column we need the resultant value. Even if you put the employee code, then values will not come up. If I put some employee name, then the number will come up. Fine. And you have to make sure you have to drag all the formula to the other cells as well. If I put T something, have the employee code blank, it will not work because I have put all the Vlookup with the help of the employee code. If I give employee code, and now the number comes up. Hope this was very much helpful. Thank you so much.